Photo Jobs Review. There are opportunities to earn online. Most people seek other sources of income for their goals, and the internet provides you with a lot of legitimate choices. Nowadays, you can earn just by doing your hobby, like photography. Yes, you can get paid to take photos. Thanks for watching. My name is Julio Vargas. Subscribe to my channel to see more videos to make money online. Make a comment, hit the bell icon, please and thanks. What is Photo Jobs? Photo Jobs is an online membership network where you get paid to take photos. They have a wonderfully straightforward system of helping people sell photos online. If you are into photography, can take good photos, or you own interesting photos, Photo Jobs has 1,000 potential buyers for it. Photos are in demand to be used for websites, magazines, brochures, books, ads, and more. Wherever you look, you can see pictures. They play a significant role in any media outlets, educational resources, social media, anything you can think about. That is why there will be potential buyers for your photos. You do not even need to be a professional photographer to be a member. Your photos can be valuable to others, and this network will be your profit-generating platform, partnering with potential buyers that might be interested in your photographs. All you need to do is present them. Who created Photo Jobs? The website is developed and maintained by the Photo Jobs team, who are giving you and a lot of people the opportunity to earn outside your 9-to-5 job, where you can be your own boss. How does Photo Jobs work? It is easy, and it takes only a few simple steps. Ready your photography devices. It can be your smartphone or a camera. Start taking pictures. You can choose any subject you want, and you can upload your photos instantly to thousands of possible buyers. You can earn from unlimited photos, and you can do it wherever, whenever. You are your own boss, and you have the freedom to use your own time. Imagine how liberating that is, doing something that you love and getting paid for it without being stuck in traffic and without a boss telling you what to do. With unlimited potential earnings, you can even make this as your primary source of income. All you need to do is snap, click and upload. It does not matter where you live. It is a network participated by members from any part of the world. The membership includes instant access to Photo Jobs step-by-step guide, job database, daily email support, monthly new content, and of course the unlimited income opportunity you can have, all of these for a network fee of $1 for the first 5 days, so that you can try it out and see what Photo Jobs really is. After 5 days there will be a monthly network fee of $27. Again, this is how simple the process is. Join and select your membership, enter information and start submitting photos. Advantages: easy to use and understand. Beginner friendly with a really simple process. You do not need to be an expert in photography. Unlimited income opportunity. You do not need top-of-the-line devices. You can use your smartphone and provide good photos. A chance to improve your photography skills with the experience you will have. You can choose what job or subjects you prefer. It gives you time and freedom to be creative. Globally connected. You can work even if you live outside of the United States of America, and the potential buyers are from all over the world too. You can work anytime you want, and you can do it anywhere you want. Make money or your money back. The Photo Jobs team keeps you safe and risk-free with a no questions asked, 60 days money-back guarantee. Disadvantages: you need a fast and reliable internet connection to be able to access the network and the job database, as well as upload your photos. There is a monthly membership fee. You need to retain your membership to avail of the updates and continue uploading your photos. Recommendation: you can earn while doing photography. Imagine getting paid just by taking pictures wherever you are. If you are into photography, this is a great product for you. If you are looking for another source of income, this product is also for you. Even if you are a complete beginner, Photo Jobs provides you with a simple guideline on how to navigate the database and how to earn by marketing your photographs to thousands of buyers. Imagine how useful a picture can be. It has many uses, and therefore there is a high demand for it. Imagine being your own boss and working on your own time, at your own space, taking photographs, and improving your creativity with an unlimited opportunity to earn. It would be a great investment, especially that you are protected with a money-back guarantee. So, take that photo, snap, and click and start to earn. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel to see more videos to make money online. Make a comment, hit the bell icon. Please and thanks, blessings.